One of the things I wanted to share with everybody today is how I use Copilot in Viva Learning. So you'll see that I'm here in the home page experience of Viva Learning. There's a ton of content in here. It's organized based on the providers that we have. It's based on the duration. There's a lot in here that I can immerse myself in. And one of the things that I like to do is create my own collections in Viva Learning. So this gives me the ability to go out and look at specific courses that I think will be relevant to the areas that I want to learn more about. I've got things in here about AI, of course, prompt engineering. There's other content in here for me. I'm really interested in sustainability. There's pretty much everything that I can think of, I can learn about and creating my own learning path. At the same time, Microsoft actually builds specific academies for us as well. And we've created this Microsoft Copilot. Since I'm very interested in AI and I'm learning more about it, I have this fantastic resource available to me to really begin and kind of kickstart my Copilot journey. This is all available, I believe, to everybody in Microsoft Learn, but we're just making it easy for you to learn more and how you can get the most out of it. So if I go back to my home screen experience, one of the things that Copilot does is it really helps me accelerate this journey. So you notice the little Copilot icon on the top right, it's welcoming me. What I want to do is have it help me build a learning path to learn more about AI. So I'm going to ask it to do that. So it's gathering information now. It's finding some relevant courses that I might be interested in. These look pretty great to me. I'm going to ask it to show me even more courses that could be relevant. Really helpful. This saves me a ton of time. It's just going out and trying to find the most relevant top resources that I can take. I'm going to ask it to now just build this learning collection for me. So I'm just going to click here. And you can see that it's automatically creating that learning path. So if I want to see the details, I can go in here, check out some of these details. One thing it allows me to do is if I want to add more items to it, I can certainly edit and I can add more to this learning path. It's already given me quite a bit of content. I think this is a pretty good start for me. And this is going to really help me jumpstart my journey into learning AI skills.